Hi, and welcome back to another AI in 5. I'm your host, Simon Chris. Joining me today from Mexico is Ludivina Facundo. Ludivina works for the Industrial Center for Innovation in Artificial Intelligence, and we're going to be talking about the challenges for AI adoption in developing nations like Mexico. Hi, Ludivina. Thank you for joining us on AI in 5.
Hi, Chris. Thank you for having me here today. It's a pleasure
And
to me.
it is a pleasure to meet, and particularly all the way from Mexico. And I love talking to chief AI officers, the people that are out there every day working with this technology. Talk to me a little bit about what's going on in Mexico. Is everybody adopting AI? Is just a few? Are there challenges? What's happening?
Sure. Mexico, here in Mexico, in the north of Mexico, the part of the city where I am from, there are a lot of hype about AI.
Okay.
This last 5 years, the maturity of each company has evolved. So currently, they are trying to adopt in different or several industries. Of course, there are different levels. The
Yep.
bigger companies, they import more technology and knowledge, but the medium enterprise and small companies, they have its own challenges. Their own challenges. But
What are some of those challenges for the smaller companies? Is it just the money, the time, or what are the challenges?
the knowledge,
Aha.
the knowledge and of course, currently or today, these technologies, these generative AIs, ChatGPT, Gemini, allow us to have a lot of information, but the current understanding of the AI technology is the core, the challenge, the main challenge for them.
The executives don't understand it, and so they say, no, 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 I don't understand it.
Well, for example, some of them just wanted to have some AI solution because it's like for fashion, or
Yeah.
because all
Everybody's
of
doing it. Yeah.
because of fashion. But to understand what it means and implies, for example, data, because small companies, some of them, they are still in the digitalization process, so they don't have data. So, and they want to have AI. So there are this kind of understanding first.
Yeah.
Second, once they have data, the quality and the quantity and the frequency of this data, and sometimes it's not enough for to have a operational a solution that can be in operation
Hmm.
to for the ROI that they are interested in. And then once they have this kind of solution defined, because it's the first other challenge is the ideation or the definition of the problem. The strategy, because they want to have AI solution, but okay, what it is, what it implies, and then how to maintain this solution working, because adoption for me is more related with the strategy of the company, not about just money, just the problem, but the strategy to make like to make the solution to work in the how is big time, more time working.
Okay, for more time, yeah.
Eh,
And is there any one industry that's kind of leading the way? Who really gets it in Mexico? Who's kind of killing it?
well, fortunately, I have the opportunity to work with several industries. For example, with journalism, of course, they are adopting more generative AI
Yeah.
to create the news, contents, and titles, and all these kind of solutions. Or another industry is retail, bank. Of course, machine learning works better for bank. But in the north of Mexico, there's a lot of manufacturing companies. In manufacturing, most of the solutions they are demanding is about AI, but with computer vision for
Yes.
inspection, quality. So
right. Interesting. Interesting. And very similar in some ways to Australia, I have to say. Look, we're right at time, but I love to ask everybody the same question. As a chief AI officer, what's your one big tip for a company just starting their AI journey? What should they be thinking about?
well, start learning, start defining the strategy, start thinking not just in a small spot, but to open the focus on what AI can do for them.
Well, this has been a fantastic AI and 5. Muchas gracias for giving us your time.
Gracias a ti, Chris. Thank you to all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.